Hey everyone, my name is Mark Simon Rivera and I'm excited to share a bit about myself with you. I'm a student who loves to excel in my studies, but I also have a passion for music and creativity. One of my favorite hobbies is playing the guitar. Music is a huge part of my life and I love experimenting with different sounds and creating my own beats. It's amazing how music can express emotions and bring people together. I also enjoy in making beats and experimenting with music production. It's a fantastic way to blend creativity with technology. And I love the challenge of crafting unique sounds, whether it's a catchy tune or a complex composition. Music is my way of expressing myself. Besides my love for music, I believe in helping others and being a supportive friend. I enjoy collaborating on projects and sharing knowledge. It's rewarding to see others succeed and know that I played a part in their journey. In my free time, I love watching sci-fi movies and anime. These genres fuel my imagination and inspires me to think creatively. They remind me that there are endless possibilities and that we should always dream big. Balancing academics with my passions has taught me the importance of hard work, humility, and staying true to myself. I believe that confidence comes from knowing your strengths and continuously striving to improve. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I hope my journey inspires you to pursue your passions and support those around you. Remember, success is not just about individual achievements, but also about lifting others up along the way.